Ever seen those videos? You know, the ones F-16s dropping bombs that just, like, nowhere to go, rain or shine, doesn't matter. That's JDAM.
Yeah, pretty wild stuff.
It really is, and today we're going deep on JDAM. How it works, how it turned the F-16 into, well, kind of a legend in modern air power.
We're going to unpack all that. How JDAM makes hitting a target not just about, hitting it, but about being super precise, minimizing any accidental damage. And of course, the F-16, how they work together, why they're so important all over the world.
So I got to add, we hear JDAM all the time, but what's it actually stand for? Just so everyone's on the same page here.
Right. JDAM stands for Joint Direct Attack Munition. Basically, take a regular bomb, what they call a dumb bomb.
Okay.
It's like you're swapping out its brain with like a super high-tech guidance system.
So it's like a kit? That's interesting. It's not a whole new bomb.
Exactly. It's an upgrade. You slap on these tail fins, GPS, the whole shebang, and boom, you've got yourself a smart bomb.
Wow.
This thing can steer itself. Incredible accuracy.
I'm trying to picture this. Okay, so you got your F-16 way up high, loaded up with these smart bombs. What kind of bombs are we talking here?
So the F-16 can handle a few different JDAMs, depends on the mission, of course. You got your GBU-31, that's the big one, 2,000 pounds.
Oh, wow.
Then there's a GBU-32, a little lighter, 1,000 pounds. And the GBU-38, that's your 500-pounder.
So the GBUs, those are the JDAM, I guess you could say JDAM-equipped bombs, right? But why so many different sizes?
Good question. Comes down to minimizing damage, really.
Makes sense.
If you can take out a target with a smaller bomb, less risk to anything around it. GBU-38, that 500-pounder, that's practically a surgical strike.
Right.
Yeah.
It's not just about just brute force then. It's about choosing the right tool. But I'm guessing these smart bombs do more than just, be precise.
Oh, yeah, for sure. One of the biggest advantages, JDAM works no matter the weather. Rain, fog, you name it. Even if they try to hide the target with smoke, JDAM can still find it. And it doesn't put the pilot in danger either. F-16 can launch JDAMs from miles away, stays far away from enemy defenses.
Keeping our pilots safe, too. That's huge. But this isn't just, like, theoretical, right? These have been used in actual, real-world scenarios.
Oh, absolutely. JDAM-equipped F-16s, they've been crucial in multiple conflicts, proved themselves time and time again, effective at hitting key targets, minimizing risk to anyone, who's not the target.
It's pretty incredible how we've gone from dropping those old dumb bombs to this level of accuracy. Makes you wonder what's next.
It does. Makes the F-16 even more valuable to, well, pretty much every Air Force in the world.
I bet. So adaptable. Such a sought-after aircraft.
Think about it. Where does this tech go from here? How is it going to evolve? What's the future of air combat going to look like?
I mean, that's a big question, right? Like, are we going to be even more precise? Or is there something totally different on the horizon? Something we can't even imagine yet?
Yeah, that's the thing. It makes you think.
It really does. And that's something for everyone listening to ponder. Thanks for diving deep with us.
Always a pleasure.